This is Travual 3D, an app to explore cultural heritage virtually. After registering, the user is asked about his travel interests and gets various premium and freemium suggestions on the homepage. Countries have short descriptions and can be marked for the watch list using highlights. Settings can be changed, a profile picture can be added, and country preferences can be adjusted afterwards. Places have certain categories like secret tip or country highlight. There's more information about the places and the map view. The highlight of the app are the 3D tours with navigation points and the audio guide.
Welcome to St. John Church in Magdeburg. This historic church is believed to have been built in the 6th century AD, making it one of the oldest Christian.
Other planned features are, for example, route planning. At the end, the user logs out and looks forward to his next trip.